So you're excited about investing in Dangote Refinery when it gets listed, and you're wondering how do you go about this? People will tell you get a CSCS number and go on invest.ngxgroup.com and register and just wait, right? But there's a part of you that feels like you're going to miss out on it because everyone is waiting to get in on it. So you're wondering, what does this Ngxgroup website look like? If I find a particular list in there, how do I go about investing in that particular, company? Let's say Dangote Refinery now. So there is a particular listing on the website currently. It's a primary offer. You can invest in the shares of the company right now. So we are going to treat it like Dangote Refinery. I am going to walk you through the process. In fact, I'm going to use actual money to invest in this particular, company through the Ngxgroup website. So you see what the whole subscription thing looks like and how to go about it when Dangote Refinery gets listed. Currently, there is one public offer listed on the homepage. This is how Dangote Refinery's public offer is going to be listed out as well when it comes out. If you don't have an account, I would say sign up. If you sign up, you'll be able to set this up. So you click on invest now to sign up if you don't have an account. But if you do, like me, you can just go ahead and log into your account. So I've logged in. If you come to offers, you see all the offers on the on the website. Subscriptions will show the offers you've subscribed to before, and settings will show your BVN and other documents. So before you invest in anything, you have to first of all know what they are. This is Nigeria's first energy-focused insurer offering non-life insurance products. The public offer is open to both retail and institutional, blah, blah, blah. So this is basically what they are. If you want to go on Google and search for their name, you can learn more about this company before you invest. You should not invest in what you don't know about. So let's go ahead and click on invest now. So here, they said choose option if you are buying for yourself or another investor who is 18 years older. This category allows for standard investment applications, blah, blah, blah. I'm buying for myself, so I'll click on continue. And then here, it will ask me how many units I want to buy. So per share of this particular investment is 3.2 naira, right? And the minimum you can buy is 1,000 units. So number of shares, I will type 1,000. So basically it's 3.2 times, I think, 1,000 units. Then it will ask me to choose my broker. So my broker, I can use Lambert, which is bamboo. I can use my Cowrywise, which is, I think Cowrywise is under Meristem, Meristem Stockbrokers Limited. You said this broker is connected to your profile. You see, it already detected because I already added it. If you're signing up for the first time, they are going to ask you to enter your CSCS and CHN number. That is how this thing picked it up. So my broker is already here. So I want to buy 1,000 units for 3,200. So now I can go ahead and pay 3,200. But 3,200 is actually small. So instead of that, I will do 5,000 units. At this point, I feel like I'm overdoing it. But again, it's for the sake of this tutorial. So 16,000, 5,000 units. I'll click on pay now. Now, when you click on that, pay stack is going to come up. When pay stack comes up, it will show you the account details you have to pay money into and everything. So I'm going to copy the account number and I'm going to go make the transfer. So I just sent the money. And because I've transferred it, I'm just going to click on I've sent the money. Now let's wait and see what happens next. It says checking state. Okay, it worked. So that's it. I just subscribed for 5,000 shares of this particular investment. NGX is also supposed to send me an email to let me know that I subscribed, and also an SMS. Now you can see it in my subscriptions. So when this is finally public, I am going to get the shares I bought in my account. Remember where I was asking whether I want to use Meristem or I want to use Bamboo and Co. I'm going to get this thing in my Cowrywise It's either my Cowrywise, I'm 99% sure it's either my Cowrywise or my Meristem account, which is Meritrade. So the thing is, Cowrywise is a sub broker of Meristem, your Meritrade. So I should get my shares either in my Cowrywise, I'm 99% sure, or in my Meritrade. Either way, that's pretty much it. That's how to do this. Again, if I click on this, I'll get the full information. Like if I click on this place right now, but I don't want to click on it because if I click on it, it will show my CSCS and CHN number, and I don't want you guys to see that.